If you are encountering the load library failed with error 87, the first and simplest solution is to restart your computer. To do this, right-click on the Start button, then select Shutdown or Sign Out, and finally choose Restart. The second solution involves updating your graphics card drivers. Begin by searching for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the list for display adapters. Right-click on your first display adapter and select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then attempt to find and install the latest driver for your graphics card. As a last resort, you can perform a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated Command Prompt window. In this window, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter to initiate the SFC scan. This process will check for and repair corrupted system files, which may be contributing to the error. The issue is often related to the graphics card driver, so updating it is usually very helpful. However, if that does not resolve the problem, performing an SFC scan can also be beneficial. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.